All right, Kanda. Today we discuss Model 2 for Jiwan Visa. Yeah, we talk about passport and legal documentation fluency. Okay, for part one, yeah, we start to discuss about basic personal information. Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do have a passport since I was 12 years old in 2014.
Okay, and how often do you need to use your passport?
Not that often, but I used it during vacation.
Okay, and have you ever had to renew your passport?
Yes, because as Indonesian citizens, we are required to renew our passport every 5 years.
Right. And what documents did you need to prepare when you apply for a passport?
The documents I needed to prepare are my national ID card and registered family card.
Okay, and is it easy or difficult to get a passport in your country?
Yes, it is easy because nowadays we can apply online in this digital application.
Okay, so that's much easier, yeah. So
Yeah.
since appointment, you can make it online, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
and have you ever helped someone to apply for a visa or other travel documents?
Not yet. I have never experienced helping people to get their visa or travel documents.
Okay, now we move on to part two. We have to discuss about preparations to get legal documents like a passport or visa. Can you please, speak about 2 or 3 minutes, about the time, when you had to prepare legal documents for international travel?
Okay, at that time I was planning to go to Germany, so I would require a Schengen visa, a sponsor, and my passport and my parents' bank statement. I just had to prepare all the necessary documents and bring them to my visa agent. It the experience was quite straightforward.
Okay, so because you apply together with your parents, so most of the principal documents are prepared by your parents. Yeah?
My
So
parents. So yeah.
just prepare the ID card and family card. Okay, so you don't have to make a financial statement. Right, and now we continue to part three. Yeah, further discussion, about travel document and also international mobility. Yeah. Okay. Why is it important for the people to have a valid travel document when traveling abroad?
For me, to minimize or facilitate the identification of people entering the country, as well as to minimize crime or illegal immigrants. To
Okay.
filter
Yeah.
immigrants. Yep.
Yeah. So many countries also having problems about illegal immigrants. So this is the way how to anticipate, these cases. Okay, and how do immigration laws and visa requirement affect international travel today?
It would be preferable to minimize the number of criminals or illegal immigrants staying in a country.
Okay, yeah, that is just the way how to minimize or avoid any problem, especially crime and also visa abuse. Yeah. Okay, and in your opinion, should digital passport or biometric ID replace the traditional paper passport?
No, because it's easy to force digitally and would not be made by an authorized regulator. It is better with paper passport or conventional passport.
Okay, so if it is conventional passport, yeah, there will be a special imbus seal, yeah, to anticipate falls. Yeah. And also, yeah, we can see the travel history, yeah, which country has been visited and how long the travel was, and also the time, yeah, to return back to our country, yeah,
Yeah,
Indonesia. So all recorded and printed so we can read easily, yeah.
easily.
Yeah. Then next, what problem can arise if someone lose, yeah, their passport while traveling abroad?
They will have difficulty returning to their home countries and will need to take care of their matters at their embassies.
Okay, yeah. So that's why you must keep your passport and visa safe, yeah, all the time. So to make sure that you are going to overseas easily and also return back easily, yeah. So you don't find difficulties there. Okay, good. And how do different countries ensure the security of their passport system?
Um, the government should attach imbecile to anticipate false documents.
Okay, yeah. So there must be a specific way, yeah, to ensure that all passport system are safe, yeah. Okay, we come to the last questions. Do you think countries should simplify, yeah, their visa application process to promote tourism?
Yes, we can establish good bilateral relation between countries to promote our tourism.
Okay, in this case, to allow people visiting tourism destination, yeah, like Indonesia or Bali, yeah, with free, yeah, except the what we call the entry visa, yeah, visa on arrival,
Visa
we
arrival.
call levy, yeah, that is the amount of money charged to the tourists for cultural and environmental preservation, yeah. Okay. So that's good, yeah. But the process must be simplified.
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah, for Jiwan. It's nice to talk with you, Kanda. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.